Hello, 6th graders. I miss you. I hope you're having a good day. When you opened your Google Classroom, it automatically created a Google Slides document called Baroque Composers Timeline. The Baroque period in music is from 1600 to 1750. And so these guys have been dead a long time. And there are 9 slides. I'm going to do slide number 2 with you. So Charpentier, you think, well, how do I know what year he was born? There was another document in the assignment called Major Baroque Composers. I go to that document and I scroll down because Charpentier was one of the French composers. I find out that he was born in 1645 and he died in 1704. So I go back to my timeline and under birth year, I type in 1645 and then I go to the death year box and I type in 1704. Then there are 2 fun facts about each composer, and there's a blank line for each one. I've already filled in the first one. I learned that the King Louis XIV, liked Charpentier's stage music so much, he granted him a pension. The second one's a little trickier. I highlight the line, and it wants to know Charpentier's 3 best-known works for the stage. So I go back to my document, and I'm reading along. We've been working a lot this year on reading for comprehension. And then I find out near the end that his best-known works for the stage are La Couronne des Fleurs, David et Jonatas, and Midi. The chance of me being able to spell that correctly back and forth is slim to none. So, since I am stating a fact, all I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight it. I'm going to push Control-C, which will copy that information. Then I go back to my timeline. I've already highlighted my line because I want to get rid of the lines. And I push Control-V, like in victory. And that puts it into my slides, except it's all tiny and looks weird. So then I use another shortcut that I've learned in computer class, Control-A. That will pick everything in the box. And then I go up here next to my Arial font and I change my font size to 24. And then, just like magic, everything looks nice. The final thing it asks you to do is to delete this text box and shape and put a picture of the composer here. So I highlight on that and I push delete or backspace, whichever works on your computer. Then I do a Google search for Charpentier. And then I click on Images. And there's bazillions of pictures of him. I'm going to pick the first one. On a Chromebook, you have to do a 2-finger click. If you have a mouse, it's a right click. I click on the picture, and then I'm going to copy the image. And then I'm going to go back to my timeline. I'm going to click on my slide. And remember that shortcut, Control-V as in victory. I'm going to push that, and it'll put the picture into my slideshow. Now, just make sure you don't use a picture that says like it's copyrighted. But all of those that are these old guys are, you almost never find one that says it's copyrighted. So that's one of my slides done. You get 2 times to work on this, so it's not due today. And good luck. If you're still stuck, you can email me and I'll set up a time to FaceTime or Duo or WhatsApp and talk to you individually and talk you through it. Have a good day.